Every journey begins in the soil, where quality potatoes first take shape. The facility stands ready to transform raw potatoes into crisp perfection. With precision and discipline, the first stage ends as the next begins. The harvest makes its first descent into the controlled world of processing. Vibration spreads the load, preparing each potato for the journey ahead.
From here, they rise toward their first cleansing stage.
A powerful rinse removes the field, revealing the raw potential beneath. Cleaned and collected, they now flow deeper into the facility. Through a sealed passage, the line enters the heart of production. Additional supply arrives continuously, feeding the line without pause. Every bin becomes another surge in the constant flow of raw material. With all supply unified, the potatoes advance toward the next chapter of transformation. This is the home of transformation, where raw crops become global snacks. Behind these doors, cleanliness and precision rule every step. Strict hygiene protocols ensure a controlled path from farm to fryer.
Every pathway through the facility converges toward the processing heart.
From corridor to core, each room plays a role in refinement.
Inside the floor, efficiency is built through flow and scale. Here, the raw harvest first meets the technology that shapes it.
Human precision ensures the line stays clean, balanced, and consistent.
As the line advances, the real cleansing begins in the next chamber. A torrent of purified water strips away every trace of the field. Gentle but relentless brushes smooth each surface for uniform cooking. Air jets sweep away moisture, preparing each potato for precise inspection. Behind sealed glass, digital eyes watch every passing shape. Automation removes imperfections with pinpoint timing and remarkable speed.
Yet the human eye remains unmatched in the subtle art of quality.
A surge of high-pressure steam loosens every layer of skin. Freed from their skins, they emerge clean and ready for the blade. Washed to perfection, they approach the moment of transformation.
Here, solid form becomes the thin, iconic shape of the chip.
Precision blades carve hundreds of perfect slices every second. A gentle wash clears the starch, preparing each slice for the heat ahead. Vibration lifts away moisture, leaving only the slice's true shape. Warm air smooths their surface, setting the stage for the golden finish.
Human oversight ensures every slice is perfectly prepared for the fryer.
Even distribution is crucial. Each slice must enter the oil as an equal. Ahead lies the defining transformation. from raw slice to crisp chip. Heat shapes the flavor, the texture, and the very soul of the chip. Hot from the bath, each chip leaves the fryer glistening and full of promise.
Air and motion remove excess oil, stabilizing texture for the next phase.
A tailored blend of seasoning meets each slice, turning crispness into flavor. Spread and cooled, each chip is given space to finish its transformation.
Controlled cooling locks in crispness and readies the line for precise portioning. Precision metering ensures every bag receives the exact portion the recipe demands. Measured portions meet prepared packaging in a single, choreographed movement. A precise flush and seal preserve freshness before final inspection.
Final checks confirm product integrity as the line prepares the chips for packing and dispatch.
Automation now orchestrates the journey from bag to box with flawless timing. Every movement is calculated, ensuring speed without compromising integrity.
Precision placement guarantees that packaging is orderly and ready for transport. Every carton moves seamlessly from assembly to secure closure.
Automated sealing ensures consistency, speed, and protection for the contents inside.
Digital verification confirms accuracy, leaving nothing to chance.
Layers build rapidly, forming pallets ready for storage or dispatch.
Inspection is continuous. Precision is maintained before final packaging.
Each pallet is secured and protected, ready for the final stages of preparation.
Even after automation, careful human oversight ensures perfection.
Every stack is measured to confirm consistency before final handling.
Visual checks catch the smallest errors, guaranteeing quality.
Shrink wrap secures the cartons, keeping them intact during storage and shipment. Labels are applied precisely, providing tracking and traceability for every shipment. Digital confirmation ensures that every pallet is ready for the next step. Rotated and aligned, each pallet is positioned for optimal space and handling.
Every movement is deliberate, keeping the line flowing seamlessly toward storage.
Stored safely, each pallet awaits its journey to market, maintaining integrity from factory to shelf.
Even finished products are tested rigorously before leaving the factory.
Every portion is weighed to ensure consistency and quality standards.
Precise moisture and oil readings guarantee texture, crunch, and taste.
Microscopic inspection confirms each chip meets visual perfection.
Human senses complement machines, ensuring flavor is just right.
Chemical analysis verifies the precise formulation of every batch.
Seals are tested under pressure to ensure freshness during transport.
Approved pallets return to the line, ready for dispatch to customers worldwide.
Quality control ensures every product leaving the factory meets the highest standards. Every pallet is moved carefully toward its designated storage location. Automation places pallets efficiently, maximizing space and safety. Each pallet waits, perfectly stored, for its next journey. Pallets are loaded with care, ready to reach customers around the world. Every load is fastened securely, maintaining product integrity from factory to shelf.
Trucks depart on careful planned routes, delivering products to markets worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce potato chips from start to finish.
From raw harvest to ready-to-ship pallets, every stage is captured in precision,